Today is one of the happiest and most meaningful days of my life because after 9 beautiful years of loving each other, I finally get to call you my wife.
Middle of nowhere.
9 years ago, we started with simple dreams, not knowing what life would bring us. We faced challenges, misunderstandings, struggles, and victories. But through all of it, you stayed with me. Sulod sa siyam katuig, nakita nako ang imong kalig-on, kabuutan, ug ang imong walay kondisyon nga gugma.
Jerome.
Looking back now, I realized God was started writing our story. There was a moment I saw you in pain, and somehow it broke my heart for no reason. I thought it was pity. I thought it was empathy. But all along, it was the beginning of love.
Seeing you become a loving mother made love and admire you even more. Thank you for taking care of our family and for loving our daughter.
And Sir John Will, muna bulahan ka anami kay nay pulis ang magbantay nimo 24/7 aron walay laing makasulod diha sa imong kaugalingon. John Will, ampingin ang maong gasa, no? Nga ikaw, you are the first and hopefully the last man sa kinabuhi ni Amen.
Nine years ago, we were just business partners. I became your listener, at the same time, your advisor sa matag higayon nga mo share ka sa imong mga kasakit sa gugma. Who would have thought the person I once gave love advice to is now the person I choose to spend my whole life with. Thank you for the 9 memorable years we've had together. You showed me what a godly man is, not just in words, but in action. You are responsible, you lead with respect, and you honored my family.
This love is like the church bells, as loud as they can ring. In the good man's face,
Karong adlaw, nagasaad ako dili lamang para kanimo, kundi usab para kang Baby Jane. I promise to be a loving husband to you. I promise to be a loving father. And I promise to love and guide the children that God may bless us with in the future.
Loves you like I do.
Now that I am standing here in front of you as your wife, I promise to treasure you the way I ask God to. I'm not perfect, but I will choose what is right for us. I promise to choose you every day, especially on the days we don't understand each other. I know my mama and papa in heaven are so happy seeing us right now. Nga ang lalaki nga nananghid sa ilaha 9 years ago, karon ako nang maimong bana.
This love is like
I'm honored to promise my love and commitment to you, to love you wholeheartedly, and support you unconditionally for the rest of my life. I didn't fall in love at first sight. I fell in love at first prayer. I'm so glad we found each other in God's perfect timing. And I'm so glad that God gave me
loves you like I do. I never want them to.
Enemy of General, finally put God first and everything will be given to you. Put Christ center of your life. Kay si Kristo ang una ug walay katapusan na nahigugma. Ang lead pag umang kasal, legit first kiss. Bisag sige na kiss.
I promise to protect our family. I promise to pray for our home. I promise to choose you every day. Thank you for 9 wonderful years. Thank you for our daughter Jane. And thank you for the beautiful future we will build together.
Loves you like I do. I can't get enough of you. I don't ever want to.
Today, I choose you as my wife, my partner, my best friend, and the mother of our family. I love you forever.